Good morning. I am free. I'm no longer attempting 75 hard, at least for now. Let's make a drink. We're starting the day with something new. Well, it's new to you. I've tried it a few times, but we're taking greens and we're mixing them with reds. Isn't that wild? I've tried the greens by themselves and they just don't taste very good. However, if you mix them with reds, the drink's not bad. And then we really just got even more good stuff packed in here. Cheers. I just like to start the day off right. There's like a million greens products on the market right now, which is insane. Like, you can take whatever you want, but I think it's so important to like wake up and do something beneficial right away. I just love like waking up, getting in some greens, whatever. It makes me feel accomplished. It makes me feel like I'm starting off on the right path, the right note. Like, it's just good. I don't even know if it's the actual benefit of the product or if it's literally just like the mindset thing that I like most from it, but coffee time. I'm fully, completely out of my Nespresso pods, so we are gonna have to use this kind. It's technically for iced coffee, so I think it's stronger since you brew it over ice. Still doing the protein coffee. That wasn't just a 75 hard thing. That's just something that I adopted and think I will do for as long as I know. I really do love First Form products as well, especially just this flavor. Like, you can't beat this flavor. Caramel latte in protein coffee, like, it just makes too much sense. We're a few days post end of attempting 75 hard, which my full video, my whole journey, my results, my thoughts on 75 hard is up. So I will put that in the description box if you haven't seen it. But it's like, what now? Now that I don't have these rules, I have like complete freedom or whatever. Like, what do I do? How do I act? And some podcast episodes I listened to, like, kind of criticizing the challenge, were like, oh, but when you finish, do you just like revert back to normal? But honestly, I feel like that's not a very valid argument, at least in my opinion, because if you truly do finish it or whatever, like, after doing such a crazy thing for so long, I feel like it's hard to just like go and like be completely unhealthy after. Like, you learn things, right? And you bring things with you, and despite like my outcome and whatever, I don't know, it's not like I finished the challenge and I was like, wow, I could just really like sit here for a week and only eat French fries and like not want to do anything with myself, because that's just not how I am. You know, it's like, okay, I'm done. I feel like I have freedom, but I still move my body every day. I still am like generally healthy. Like, I want to get sleep. Like, I prioritize taking care of myself just because that's like how I am. And of course, like, trying the challenge does teach you things, and like, you know, I do feel a burst of extra discipline, and like, I do feel like I can do harder things. And like I said a lot in the video, like, when you keep up good habits for so long, you want to do bad habits less. Like, my first 2 days, completely like being done, being over with it, I ate like a milkshake and cheese curds and French fries, and the next few days after that, I felt terrible. I was like, I never want to do this again. Like, I feel bad. And of course, life is all about balance, right? Like, I'm gonna eat cheese curds, I'm gonna have fried food when I want it, whatever. But I was like, dude, I would never just revert to like sitting on my ass all day and like only eating fried food. Like, that just wouldn't be me. But that being said, I just don't care to do those things. I love the freedom of not feeling like I have rules though, because another thing I said a lot is like, when you can't do something, it makes you want to do something, right? So now that I'm just like chilling, like, I want things that I couldn't have less, if that makes sense. In the end, now that it's like over and I'm not trying it, at least for a long time, like, I'm still just working on me and I'm still just doing the things that make me feel good, and that's how I want to be. I like woke up on the first day of like freedom, right? And I like didn't even care to like run to like a unhealthy place for breakfast. You know, I didn't like wake up and just like crave something super bad for me. Like, I don't know, I just didn't. I didn't care. That being said, of course, I'm a little less strict and I do let myself indulge more. So we are gonna go throughout the day and kind of talk about like balance and stuff, right? I might get a little treat, but I still like eat healthy. I still want to like exercise, you know, like, it's just literally part of my lifestyle and how I've been for the past like 2 years, right? I've been meaning to go on a Target run like so bad. It's time, and guess what we're gonna do? We are gonna get Starbucks, and we're probably gonna get a drink that's not the most healthy for you, but that's the beauty of living life, the little joys. I don't know what I want, but have you seen that thing on TikTok where they say that if you get a Starbucks drink at Target, do your shopping, and if you finish your drink before you leave the store, you get a free refill? Like, it sounds way too good to be true, but I kind of want to test it out. Dude, vibes are so high right now. It is spring, it is sunny, we're just going to have a little fun at Target. Like, look at that sun. It is gonna be such a good day. I don't care that there's snow, there's also sun, okay? Glass half full, right? How beautiful. It's literally just such a good day. I got the toasted vanilla oat milk shake and espresso. Not bad. I tried their other new drink, the like cinnamon caramel cold foam. Didn't like that much. Also, I just overheard workers talking about catching someone stealing. Dude, I was like in on the drama. I was eavesdropping so hard. I could seriously spend all day looking at bins, baskets, storage of any sort. Even if I don't need to store anything, I'd love this. It is such a high vibe day. Like, I would love to go continue running errands, but the truth is I just don't have anywhere else to go and I don't want to spend a ton of money. So if I was with a friend, I'd probably continue the errands day, but I'm not. Also, the TikTok thing, you can get a refill, but of like a basic coffee, and I didn't even finish this, so I didn't bother going back up. Number one, I need a bathroom. Number two, I feel like sometimes when I'm walking around stores, my eyes get really dry for some reason. And number three, I just get distracted like when I'm in a store, but also have my camera, but also have a drink, you know, so I didn't finish it, but I'm gonna continue drinking it. It is good. We get that little bit of a toast feeling. I wish there was a little more toasty flavor, but I like it. It was fun to try. I love the brown sugar shake and espresso. I'm excited to give you a haul. Did you miss me? Hi. Hi, handsome. Okay, let's do a haul. I'm seriously in such a good mood today. I think half the reason is because it's so sunny out. We got toy number one, this guy. I don't know, it's supposed to be special fibers. And then I also got toy number two. It's like a branch. It's kind of hard though and it crinkles. Like kind of sounds like a plastic water bottle. I don't know, we'll see if you like some. Meat thermometer, because we needed that. I have been buying lately no added sugar peanut butter, and they only make the small jars, unfortunately, so I needed that. Acai packs for some bowls. Noodles and chicken broth for a dinner recipe later today. I have been wanting to buy a mini wet brush. I use these like regular, like the wet brushes for my hair, but I specifically wanted a mini one. Oh my god, it's so cute. So that I could keep it in my purse. I feel like if I actually brush my hair throughout the day, like it just looks so much like softer and healthier. You know, like look at that. After a little brush, my hair's so yellow right now, but I'm literally getting it dyed tomorrow, so. I ran out of these. I love these. They're like the only hair ties I use. And then I also got these little things, clear elastics for hair. Come here. Come here, sit. Which one do you want? Get them. Oh, what about this friend? I'm feeling an omelet for lunch. I haven't made an omelet in so long, but I'm super excited because I actually just got a new set of pots and pans that came in last night from the brand Caraway, who gifted them to me. That is so nice. Shout out to them. I got their hero set, so it's basically all the essentials, like 2 pans, 2 pots, lids, and it even comes with storage as well. There are so many colors to choose from, so I thought it'd be so fun to get a green because, you know, Morgan green over traditional black, like be a little different, right? And like green makes you think like healthy food. Like, I don't know, green just felt right. So I got green, which is fun and different. They're 100% non-toxic ceramic cookware, super awesome quality. So the cookware sets come with the organizers at no extra cost. It's just like part of the bundle, which is super nice. Kind of like protective too. And because I feel like I've been cooking so much more, not only in my videos, but in life too. Like I just needed good pots and pans. Like I've never owned a good set of pots and pans before. It's an investment, but just kind of like one that you need, especially if you are in the kitchen often, like I have been. And they're literally so pretty. Like I open my drawer and I'm like, wow, how beautiful, how green, how fresh, how luxurious. I don't even know. I love it. They did provide me with a 10% off code to offer you, which is so nice. So I'll have that linked in the description and everything. It's 10% off site wide. And by clicking the link, it'll automatically apply it to your cart. So if you're in the market, you gotta try them out. With that being said, let's go ahead and attempt this omelet. I feel like omelets are difficult. I chopped up onions, tomatoes, and spinach. I just feel like a brand new person with this. I'm gonna throw the onions in first, actually. Okay, I think that's way too hot. Darn it, I messed this up. Oh my god, it slides so easily. This is seriously such an upgrade. I don't know if you know what my other pans look like, but wow. Like butter. Okay, actually not bad. I thought I messed up right away, but it looks good. It's not burnt. I mean, it's a little darker than I'd want. And there's nothing worse than when you're making eggs and the eggs stick so bad. Like this was a great little test here. Oh my goodness. And they come with these cute little like coaster pot holder things, you know? That's actually so good. I'm so happy I put the onions in there because it flavors it so much. Mmm, what a good little lunch too. We get the protein, we got the veggies, and some fruit because we love a well-rounded meal. See, that's what I mean. Like, even though I'm not doing 75 hard or like trying some challenge or something, like it's still always a goal of mine to have a well-rounded day. Like get in different food groups, different nutrients, look back on the day and be like, oh, I had a little bit of everything. I just got some work done after lunch, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I took 20 minutes and just laid down and fell asleep. I got my period yesterday and I'm feeling like so sluggish, like not crampy, I'm just like, my body's like tired. But I do find that a good like walk in just fresh air, especially on my period, like just turns things around. I don't know, like obviously I walk my dog every day anyway, but it's time for a walk and I think it'll brighten up my day. But sometimes you just need to listen to yourself. Obviously not everyone's this lucky. Like I'm very privileged. I know I work from home. Like I can afford to take a half an hour out of my day to just like lay if I need it. And I'm lucky and I'm so thankful for that. But I'm feeling better and I'm excited for a walk, especially because it's so sunny out. And oh my gosh, and the lake is finally water again. Look at that. I'm so excited for summer. Go for a walk? Hot girl walk sleigh. Hot dog walk sleigh. I don't know if this happens to a lot of people, but I always get headaches on my period for some reason, so I'm always like drinking so much water. I mean, that's a good thing, but I always think if I have a headache, like the more water I drink, the faster it's gonna go away. I did just take Advil, but I also need a snack. Never have I ever been so obsessed with a little bar before. Oh my goodness. These are First Form's chocolate chip cookie dough little protein bars. I've been trying to savor them because they are literally so good. And I'm treating myself to one right now because I want a snack. There's still plenty of time before dinner and I'm on my period. So I'm like, you know what? I deserve it. Just look at that like chocolatey goodness. And the inside literally tastes like cookie dough. Oh my God. Let's make dinner together. I've been reading more into this whole cycle syncing thing, and I did read that on your period you're supposed to have more like comfort foods essentially. So we're making noodles, a little like simple pasta. I'm also gonna have a cooked veggie with it. However, let's whip out the new pans, baby. Literally, this is just me. Like I'm just so excited. As always, it's from Pinterest and I will have the recipe linked. Everything just glides around and feels so smooth. I literally can't get over it. And look at how gorgeous this lid is. Like, why is this lid prettier than me? We're gonna air fry some asparagus. I've been doing it this way a lot lately. Basically, olive oil, garlic salt, Parmesan cheese. Look at this. I love this dinner because the noodles taste so good, but they're so easy. It's just like a chickeny, buttery garlic, feel-good meal, you know? And these, I swear it's the best air-fried veggie I've had in a long time. This, but with zucchini too, so good. My Nespresso pods came in and I'm so excited, so I'm gonna show them to you. I ordered so many, but it's like I'm gonna go through them. Like, what's the point of not, right? Here we have it. I always get for hot coffee, double espresso dolce and the Bianco Diapo, if that's how you say it. And then I did get 2 of the Ice Leggero. I do drink mostly hot coffee still because I live in Wisconsin. We're also having spring sales, which is nice. So I got a free sleeve of Hazelino muffin, like a hazelnut muffin flavor. Part of the coupon code I applied or whatever. I also got a free little ice cube tray. I mean, it's nothing like too crazy, but I don't know. It was just a free gift with purchase, so cute. Beautiful. I got one more package that just arrived today, so you know, Parade. I love Parade. I talk about them and wear them all the time. They recently launched Swim, which is so exciting. And so I got this neon cute little bikini top. This was gifted, but I was like, wait, I want to order the bottoms to match it like perfectly, right? They didn't have any solid pink bottoms, but they have pink and orange ones that I think should match. So I'm very excited. Cute. Okay. That will be so cute. And I love orange swimsuits. I have like 2 or 3 orange swimsuits. I just think orange looks very flattering in the summer, but so does like any neon color. So this really bright pink, I think these will look so cute together. They also have this style that I have that's pink and orange. It's technically a 1-piece, but it looks like a 2-piece from the front. So like just pink and orange on the front and then it connects in the back. Obviously you can see is red. So I think this is really cute too. So it's time. We must work out. How my workouts are different now versus during the whole whole 75 hard deal is essentially I'm not going for like time anymore, right? Like I will walk my dog gladly every day, get some outside movement in, but if it's like, you know, the world is ending outside, I'm just not gonna go outside. And then I will still always, I mean, the goal is like 5 to 6 days a week, work out like a normal workout. I've been wearing this set all day actually, which I love to just lounge in these, but now I'm like already ready to work out, so I'm like one step ahead, which is great, but I want a sweatshirt on because it's cold downstairs. However, the goal for my regular workout is it'll always be a mix of 12 through 30 and treadmill, and then also I still like to do like workout videos, booty bands, dumbbell circuits, and then I'm trying to explore the whole world of lifting given the resources I have at home. So it's like I'll still do like an outside movement factor, and then I'll also do like a separate regular workout. However, it's not solely focused on like 45 minutes, 45 minutes, 45 minutes, right? Like today I had the full intent of going into it being like, it's gonna be leg day, we're gonna warm up 12 through 30, we're gonna lift some weights, we're gonna burn those thighs. But like I said earlier, I'm feeling sluggish, I am bleeding, right? Like I don't wanna do that. And I think it's actually good for when you are on your period to do more things like a walk or like, I don't know, things that are a little bit lighter. So I think I'm still gonna do like regular 12 to 30, which gets me sweating. I am not gonna discredit that at all, but we're not gonna go crazy pumping the iron after that. So I still move a lot and I like it that way, but it's less like 45, 45, 45, no exception driven, and more just like, okay, what's gonna work for me today? We're gonna get outside, but we're also gonna work out inside. 12 through 30, man, it just like does the job. You get in a sweat, you get to just like have me time, zone out, like just let your thoughts wander, consume content like guilt-free, because you're not just like sitting on your butt. I mean, if you are, like, that's totally fine, but if you got a busy day and you want to get in some movement, like it's just so good. And I'm ending off the night with Liquid IV. This is actually an immune support one, so there's like vitamin C, there's zinc in it. I'm not sick or anything, but this is a great time to have a little extra goodness in me, you know? I always have my link for this in the description box, so you can get 25% off and free shipping. If you'd like to use it, feel free. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like there was some skepticism around like, okay, you try 75 hard, what do you do after? Like, do you know, get in shape and learn all these things, and then you end the challenge and you just gain the weight back, you start being lazy? Like, I just don't think that happens. I mean, it probably does, but I feel like the majority of people change their lifestyle a little bit from it. And you should watch my 75 hard video if you didn't, to see like my whole journey, my stance, whatever. But I'm just telling you, post trying out the whole thing, like, I don't know, I'm just chilling, like I'm doing good. I'm just doing what makes me feel good, what makes me happy, and that's kind of just like what I'm all about. That's all for today. Thanks for hanging out with me as always. If you are interested in those pants, seriously, they're incredible. I'm like looking at them right now drying because I like hand wash them and everything. Seriously, check them out. Do a little browse. They have the prettiest colors. The quality is insane. That's gonna last me so long, and it just looks so pretty, and it's the little things, right, that just really make me so happy. 10% off site-wide if you're interested. I would definitely recommend them. But I love you. I'm rooting for you. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next one.